Now we move into the next important thing we are discussing in embryology, okay, of male development. So this is what is known as a testis-determining factor. So they usually call it a TDF, okay, testis-determining factor. So of course this favors development of what? Male characteristics, call it TDF. All right. So it's also known as the SRY protein. Sometimes you see SRY protein, sometimes you see testis-determining factor. Okay. So it's a critical gene located on the Y chromosome, and it supports what? Determination of male sexual, characteristics. So this will now trigger the development of testes in an embryo. So if a baby is just developing, okay, this could basically, trigger it to become a boy. Okay, so testis-determining factor is encoded by the SRY gene. So it's found on the short arm of the Y chromosomes at location YP11.2. Okay, so it acts as a transcription factor, meaning it helps to regulate the expression of other genes that are very important for testis formation. So its role in embryonic development is, once the embryo shows that it wants to become a boy, the SRY gene or the testis-determining factor is now activated. So it's what to now initiate a lot of events that will ultimately lead to the development of testes. Okay, so to promote lady sex development, which produce testosterone, so that male genitalia is coming up. So it binds to the DNA and activates genes like the SOX9, which are very important for testis differentiation. So without it, the person automatically becomes a female. So any mutations in it could lead to a lot of disorders, like the Swavard syndrome or the XX male syndrome, which we'll get to talk about them later on.